Hi and welcome to this episode. My name is Abel Gray Kantoma. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new project, how to import your drawing, and also how to import a Planswift template. So if you are excited about this, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I will do is to come on my home tab. Make sure you are on your home tab and you click on new. So once I click on new, you can see a menu here will pops up for me. So let's say this is three bedroom duplex, for example, at Kamuru Close, Kampala West. Okay, and then I can give it a note. Okay, so you can just write a general note about the project, and then I'll click on next. Now I have explained. Let me come back. I have explained this. You can see metric. Make sure it's on metric. If you use metric unit, then leave it. You can select. If you remember, we were able to create a directory in the previous episode. So you can see that is actually coming up for us to use. And then I'm using a metric unit, and then I will click on next. Now, like I said earlier, you must have a your designs has to be in DWG or in DXF or in PDF. Sorry. So if you have your design in PDF or DWG, then you are good to go. All you need to do is to go to the directory of that particular file. Now you can see mine are actually under documents. You can see I have so many PDF files, so I can decide to pick any of them if that is my job project. Let's say I'm going with this, for example, or if you have them complete. Let's see if we have this arc. I'm not sure if this is complete, but you can see it brings us here. Sorry, there is one very important step. When you click on it, it's very important that you check it. Very important. If you don't check this, it will not import. What I did earlier was just to click here and I clicked next. So if I do that, I will not be able to see this, so I have to check it. So if you check this and click on next, now you can see here you have some little settings that you probably want to do, or you can leave it at default. And then I will click next and I will click finish. Now you can see it's importing. So you can see this is the a design. You can see these are the elevations. This is a cross section. This is septic tank, sockaway. This is the fence. Okay, so this is basically how to import your drawing into your Planswift software. So the next thing I will show you. All right, so to import our templates, very important. All I need to do is to come to where I have the template folder. This is it. And then I'll come to this file. This is my template, so I can simply just copy the entire folder. I can just copy this. I copy, and then I'll come to this PC and come to the local disk. We'll go to my program file 86, and I will look for my Planswift. Then I will come to my data. Then I'll go to my storage. Then you can see local here. Under my local, you will see template. So I already have the template existing here, so I would not want to paste it all over again. You can see this is the template. Okay, so that is that. So once you paste it, if you come here now, you will be able to find that template here. If you click on this drop down menu, you are going to see that template here, which is this. This is the template. Okay, so but by default the software comes with a default template, which is what you are seeing here. So you can see this is the default template, which it is very advisable you get the template. This default template has some level of limitation, because people who program this are not really from Africa and all that. So there is some of the takeoff that you may probably want to do. You may not be getting the actual or accurate information that you want. So if that is correct, I will show you another format of template that comes, which is the most common one. All you need to do is to come to your template here, and when you come to templates, you need to click on import tab. So once I click on my import tab, it will now bring out a menu. From this menu here now, you can see I have this template under my desktop. So if you have it wherever that template is located, you have to just simply locate it. So mine is under my desktop, and this is the template, but I already have it imported into my Planswift. So once I click on it and I click on open, and that will be all, and then that template will be here. So if you look at this here now, you can see I have metric takeoff template samples, metric takeoff template samples. These are by default it comes with its own template. Okay, but you can see these are this template, and also these are the two templates which are imported into the Planswift software. This is Brainbox Notion quantity takeoff. This is the first template which I imported, and then this is the second template which I imported as well. All right, so I will see you in the next episode.